hunu no omuna shebe omenya baby ejina onim de onim wa school and wa go true poor any man certificate experience zero.
I make us me read it and I was comparing after say me question now me I was comparing what was the cost Africa and I said bibi me no we are the Google road safety done abrofo na wo mu wosika no
Ghana Kwanso
wo mu na ma me ne ka so say car dodo ye dey say ni car car be ne wo na car emu ye ni nyina fa broche ne nya bi ato nipa dodo say ne twika okon abo wa ukraka
the minika
iti car be ne e ka abroche obi akraka kakra bia ne fa ayi eno wo mu a public transport ni adade wo na ye ka transportation but from roads no ye nya road basa me share my documentary bi o Germany road need to 2 year na ya fail ma dey ntu so cause contractor no wo ho
hande kan
share Accra Poli haya ebe ministries of transport ebe Ntigo office ebe ahinembeng Accra Poli haya traffic light do how many days ni e ko 1 week
Accra Poli
haya
say me mfa say car bisi ho me first person amakwetena mu ebi aka ne fa 13 plus driver and plus mate 13 fa 13 ana makwetena mu na car na load wa mate ni betena mu a nka so 13 no additional passenger ba ama mate aton ni seat me no amekwetena mu no aminim emra no say regulation 156 say mate ni ton ni seat de ma passenger car no enye car biem na emum eye moving gasket no say me hye mate ni say wonsi nipa no na de on sika wo penti wa ensi sa nipa no ma hye sa nipa no a ono so abro so no wonsi fom ono so so wonsi a me no a minim me right no me tibisi fom ana me hye sa nipa no mo no mo si fom
station ho no ye wo transport union for no wo chairman ye wo porter ye wo bi ye ho wo ene behwe se emra aye adwuma nsa na car no yamenatu trotro no mo ne ade no ne passenger obetime ne se obeka se otiri ho o ka se otiri ho na sha anye ya bushia police for no se o mo de mra ne yadwuma so wei ebroso ene obefro ma kan biara wa ensi form na mo se obom pa isa kwanhie si sansa kwanhie kusi a insurance mpata ho asem no
ebeden
ne tie bia no ese o ka se otiri se nipa na obroso ne ese o si na ese driver no so timi nipa no esi sansa driver no ka so nipa na sia menyene se nipa be ka so onsi enti gina driver for so enforcement ne ka sie no e fa no 156 awokan no e gina driver for because wo driver no ene obi tika no ka se da bi masaka na nipa na broso na we ba ye no mate no esa driver ni timi e gina ne nazo passenger ni tumi ensen driver no
na mi mo say ke wo ba ehi pa na etimi gisika pa wo eba ehi na gisika enya sorry dem na gisika pa
obra obi ewu no
asonde dem ya gisika pa enti wo fi se ni person asonde dem ade na obedwene ti accident ni de eye joint service ni pe ka ho dosun afen so ya me ka kire se ye na nanom a eba ye no ye beji asase no so no ye bi so na beto hie ye na nam beji asase ye na na tete na nam beji asase no ye wi nso ne ye de tutu dai ehie
ye na nanom kura wo kasa bebuo bi se wo pani na no wasadan a woni di mfe ntwesu
no me da se no ojo bi ti se ofi no ojo bi ti se bremu ti debu hwa ni asete ye da face so driver ni ade ba kwa ya na ya me ya se driver ni trust ye ni mo a na wo de kan kwa wetu kan na wo de ko no na ka na be na dest ye ni mo ka ho na se so obo abe no ha driver dudu adimi mo abe no na mo abedu krom na obetu nipa no mo na ya na wo ye dai obo aben benefo se bibia nkeka papa enema bi na nam so a etimi di accident ne ye dai eba
papa international wo kire mu a spiritually ana honhom fem no anka baabi asesa nka wo hyenkani wo bo na aben no pae baabi anka oduru ensuo so
me da se
e de ntia
ensuo te se me ne omi no ensuo te se oba ne beema ensuo na deda ho sa ne ye ma ne mema ti debu ani ensuo bi asole a wo ko ni kunu ho debu ani ensuo bi asole a wo ko ne yene ho debu ani ensuo bi ne ma di agoro debu ani ensuo bi ne ma edi agoro
e wo kwan no
oda ba ku testi ase oba ben ni so ye bremu oda Kumasi Kwanso. Obi a obefa Kumasi Kwanso bi a obefa se abiri no so. Wonnam nso no so a ese se obegba ben no. Na wi no fi se obegba ben.
Odu kromu a ese wokọ 30 bebia school kwala wo ese wotobo na wokọ 30 wotra bebia kwan dem kakra obetumi tra na mu kakra ako 50 oka motorway ni nyina wo airline mu pepepe na aso ye de adwuma na motorway honest obi tra ne car akọ 130 140 nti bibia cross no a ontumi nya ho hwe ka bensia na abubobubom ade ntina se basa sanse nipa ne di wani mu no se wato obo ama ne distance eze se wo manua BBC ya na ne type pa ya o satis o samatso to e wo kwan no mu no na twe watumi agina frequent ma park agina nti we ne normal se yesua a yenim a yantumi yanfanya adwuma overspeeding there eya dia driver dodo noa ye transit achi a yenyi otwen yadoa a free passenger car so copying private car enya sem kito bia try ne car se na eja wom nanso se na wo kan na nya road signs no esese mre bia ye de ne to so esese yusu adwen a awrade dia domu ewo adwuma yem se kwan bia medui e be sharp curve
aprokuma egu nhyirane mpo ene ye pe kuma kwaduoi ne beso abirebra Okogyeabour Ocran offentem from denchembramu a wo mene so no akokwa ampanyini sem awampampam je na ofriti krotia na ne ho age afiefiem Okogyeabour Ocran waba tenase na amansan etiew Okogyeabour Ocran fa hwim yenko efiri na rekoi obia ntie Ghana kwan so efiri na rekoi obia ntie Ghana kwan so Yanum dia woso womo dayaya yanum
sekan kwanhia sia na de haw bebre nanam emanwisia ni nyanka doso fituo mu arewo na ya dantuo mu awosenwo ye keka nyina na ye keka ma adrabafo wono onyankopon yi won sa ofie nante wasasi so
aprokuma egu nhyirane mpo ene ye pe kuma kwaduoi ne beso abirebra Okogyeabour Ocran offentem from denchembramu a wo mene so no akokwa ampanyini sem awampampam je na ofriti krotia na ne ho age afiefiem Okogyeabour Ocran waba tenase na amansan etiew Okogyeabour Ocran fa hwim
ni nyina ya semra sisu ken eni ema ekoso basa e wo ka akamu no ye be ye free wo deku driver ni mate bia wanya wasade ne wani huhuni no ye ka kire wo pese emra ni wo bedi driver kemet kanya fu mra kanya baye driver kemet mba kubikan asalin kubao shali ya kama Nami to monijio emla heto nami asinya fomu sumuntie yen ukogina ba bia ni kwasa ufaka mese driver ni jina no fawa munini nyina amatomra afe pasinya ni wotika emu na hu sa driver ni di se hu anase wotini ni ye bianya akinkawe ya chewo se emedi fina benya mi asema yenti ni na ma prosifo afe motorbike ni abobo ya e wo se obi a se ni helmet o fa overload na emra enu bedi pragia motofo musumuntia mu mpanimfo na mu ni mwashade so anya saade a emra ni mu bedi range si dusia ni nyina mama ye nyina nkambo mwe na yenyi accident free wo mai mu deku no my Ghana mfa ne ntema pemfra ye de nyame srem wo empanimfo adrama fo ni meti amu wo mai mu ye de nyame ba mo jeo yesra mo monto mo bo asema ye ni o
ene wie yi ye ma Ghana fo nyina kwaba
bazado ohima baby
Yama dominant pempem and na wie maji adwa maji bre na mutie DLFM 106.9 Yama Ghana fo nyina kwaba. It's a special Sunday afternoon. You can check the time exactly 3:19. If it is abre kopim se no numo ebebo. Yesin konya yebebo Ghana ho ban. Yesin konya yebeji yankwa. E de free washankani sem. Yesin konya ya de Ghana mra ebedi nkomo. Yesin konya ya de Ghana mra ebebo ye ho ye ho kokko. Yesin konya se ebesua de. Enu nti ebre we so no abonu ye bia mane se. The commandant of DLI 2180 Okogyeabour Ocran and Mpamfo. They are here once again
road transport
We are fully ready to disintegrate the loss of Mother Ghana so long as road safety is concerned. Yes, in Konya, a Kwanso Jojobre Aso. Jumadian, your friend Ghana Kwanso. And Untisa Wutim Nasa, your Ghanaian. A Kwanwa Wanam Sono, and who was some near Ken. And yet, and crying Kwansam near Ken. And yet, Kumasin Kwan from history. And yet, I cried the Cape Coast and Nasa Kofodian Kwan. Face the law. The part so long as we fall, we redeem the political and geographical jurisdiction of Mother Ghana. You are part of this conversation this afternoon. The Okogyeabour Ocran, DJ Afiba, and a bomb. And we wish I am on Facebook. And also, Ghana Kwanso is airborne live on DLFM 106.9.
Ghana Road Transport Coordinating.
And then see a question for and we can boldly declare, say, and then a day chat to June 2024. Yamia do watchina a 1st July. Yaka say will be on more watchina Antono. And ya dear Nebekono, and then the chromo bosom Nebekono, and ya bonibia, what dear Nekuno, Nemo Shankani Bonne or Shankania 1 minute, and to watchina a 1st July, and to Nipebi, and until and then yet Nasia, Yenjuma dear, yet dear sir broadcasters. Yenjuma dear, yet dear, as a radio presenters, the powers to enforce the laws of Mother Ghana, Eliansa, the Yaya Betima Catrawo, and say, Ebre Wesu and Omiansa Abono, Okogyeabour said the NSA. Obeso microphone and area. Me pacha ebia na wotu ka na wutie mie enyam fom so. Ebia na wuti fie ana wutie mie enyam fom so. Ebia na wo wadwumam.
Ofa overload na.
We bi wo hono nso a wonam yi. Ghana Kwanso Okogyeabour nti. Eye earpiece any headset ehye na so a. Ba bia wonam bia no because of Ghana Kwanso nti wonja ni earpiece ento ho. Ye wo hono nso a Womutie yen ewo wonu mosum enu nti yeda wase monso a ene awia yi dwumadie no atwa bosompo ewo nkofo amanso nti mutie yen ewo other parts of the world monso ye mamu nyina kwa ba me pa cha okasa no America no eye akan kasa eye twi ana America enu nti mu a mote ase no yama mu nyina kwa ba yama mu nyina nso aha na mom se ya poto de kwa brofo kasa nso a mo a moti ase ni nyina nso no yama mu nyina nso akwa ba Ghana Kwanso your number 1 road safety talk show in Ghana. Ebusua we can second to none. And when it comes to road safety, when it comes to say yentina se yemfa Ghana mra no e kasa de fire Kwanso dodo hono eni nkomo yemfa nyentra dia we can say without any equivocal terms say Ghana Kwanso the moment Okogyeabour and the team ebefro akuna kese we no we are the apostles when it comes to road safety. Me dey do Okogyeabour me mo nyina kwa ba me pa cha road safety no dwumadie no egoso kama yen Facebook no adwuma Ghana Kwanso ba no like page no so amaye and Ghana mra be di nkomo and Ghana mra be kasa me mete hanu mo I am just a vessel Ghana mra no enam me mu ana eba enu nti se mra ni pie monten na se mra no etwa wo a me pa cha nye Okogyeabour na etwa wo Ghana mra no na etwa wo nti se wo kro bia no wamia and then me tell say I am only just a vessel Ghana mra no efa me mu akọ me pa cha se Ghana mra no eni ho no mu a Okogyeabour won kasa da efiri se me frame won sam tronia I discharge my mandate devoid of personal interest. I do my work devoid of political consideration. I do my work without entertaining any intimidation. Na me come in also without any fear or favor. And when woman yakwaba ewo yen Facebook no so amaje wo so na said the maternity amemo akwaba yi wo so de an maje ade atom ya the videos ahodo bi ana e kire wo wo video ya ye de kire bo no a na yi sa video yi pan ana na so me say yi biem e ye Kwame Nkrumah motorway eye enkran ene tema motorway ana obehwese ne trailer asia muni no a enyansam ketwa video yi nso ya de kire wo ya asojafo ne na moyi mepamcho mo amuni mmehye camp baby asojafo no ewo no eho enso ane ya de ekire wo ewo yen Facebook no so no this particular accident ya de kire wo ewo Facebook no so no esi ewo March this year enipa mienu ana tipa track etwifa wo mo so a etete wo mo nam. And until this is the footage from the accident scene. Ewo tema Michelle Camp. Ya de tire we say ya aya na enye ye ho na tayen. Na mom sane ye be ya wo be hu ne sane ye sitie. Na se bi obanyansafo besua de afri mu nti. And this is the only reason why we are showing this videos. Me patch video yi so wo no a wo no sprinter red ewo mo no. Me patch sprinter na ba ko da form ana ba ko nso gina ho. We eye sofo line. Accident we so esi 2 months ago e was so for line na ye kan yensam say ya obi ebedwere say individual be eye target that be no state institution is our target that be we are here to constructively criticize those institutions if there were more yen be many pewu a ye dwumadi aye de en say we constructively criticize those institutions. If you say ya tenase say ya e Ghana fo sika na yedi tua san krofo ne ka enu nti me Okogyeabour besomeso a yetua meka na aban atene de enti saban betene de a nipa na yedi sika ne ma no no I have every right I have within my mandate as a Ghanaian as a taxpayer say san krofo no wo mudumadi a wo mudie no se enkoyie na se be ma nipa wu a meka kire o plane Chairman Clement Ampadu national chairman watenase o Emma Bok Tanker Drivers Union ye hwani mu say Kennedy na nakwadwo mfe so betenase sadan so ana Mira Richard Kwesi wo national coordinator in charge of enforcement and compliance at the DVLA ye so betenase ene enkomo no egupuno so edoso ye yempanifo ne bobo ho no eno ewa ha you bet me do message abrame ewo yen Facebook no eso DLFM 106.9 accident ya asia yin so say we free eye kom na say wo ko adan accident we esi enene 1 week pepepe me Paul Ghana kwan so ana tipa truck drivers e wa Ghana wo mo chairman edit video we send me say Okogyeabour de asie nie wo be hwede tipa truck no aya emusa me say nipa wi anase nipa engu every said the footage e kan bibia kire wo na se ye betena wo my Ghana mu na se bibia no ye betu na jeje mu all because of our partisan interest our political agenda enti wo my Ghana ensem hunu se ebekọ so anyinia e wo se obi a hye ni helmet wo fa enye na enye ni kan se ebetena wo my we mu se ye Ghana fo na yeti wo man a wo kan no kura pani ne dwen say you are instigating you are inciting the youth against them me pacha wo empani se wuni eduru akira man wo nkun na Kwame Nkrumah kan asem bi the first gentleman of the Republic of Ghana wo kan asem bi was it change the word change if it is too long delayed or denied violence will break out here and there not men planned it or willed it but their own accumulated grievances one day will erupt with volcanic fury. Kwame Nkrumah kan sa asem we no memponi ye ngome na enso ye nyina ba beto yete wo man ya pani ntime sesa na adwen yete wo man ya kwada ntime sesa na adwen yete wo man ya ye de burofo tromra na enso mra na nya adwuma and everybody is quiet ehemfu aka o manu atum aloyafo aka o manu atum judges aka o manu atum asojafo aka o manu atum police fo aka o manu atum Ghana ni baby aka no atum fre say wo hu say road accident no eye natural enye natural o Nyankopon wa mo road accident na mom eye human error enipa mfom so na enipa mfom so so nti ane etweromra na who is there to make sure that the laws are working and then wonnam Ghana kwan so na se wunru baby a wokura na wonsu no gudem woka de asese wode mra ne adwuma ne firi se Okogyeabour na tan no na me tan Ghana police na me tan mo agede how can an individual as Okogyeabour ebetimi atan a whole institution like Ghana Police Service emra yete Ghana Police Service 1952 many enwome enunte I have no power to defeat the Ghana Police Service in terms of wrangling nembom no edemra yedemra no kasade a forget about rank yekita wo
face the law
see the Ghana mna we kasa the LI 2181 police ni forget about rank na kita wo no because sabre no enye rank na kasa Ghana mna na kasa yi. And so long as we have the opportunity to sit behind microphone, as I say, I can't cry. Kwada, yen can't cry and penny. Now, honorable Henry Quate, what point to say? They say we are interior minister. Yera, what point Bokodia? Dear Equaswan, Ewa Ghana, Yera, a interior ministry, no, a Mukwansen, Namonkasa. See it on memoir at daily basis, Neni Pewu. Ewa kanko ehiem enso ye womra interior ministry. Why are you so quiet? Because you can interior ministry no a Ghana Police Service ehemwase honorable Henry Quate Ghana ni a won penokure ana beka se Okogyeabour mpe wasem efiri se sabre no ana ya regional minister ewon kran no yewura me chairman Pedu miwura ni kwaturu miwura Kennedy na Kodwo Jamfi ene me Ghana Kwanso team ewo yen former station baby e free ya ba ye every day honorable Henry Quate na ye bo wa baso free say wotu akukodro anamobi akukodro anamu a wotu ye ene say wo ba abonten be ka kire yen say e fiti saada no a wo share samran that was 2022 one person under your purview as the regional minister ye be hunu say tricycle pragiafo any wokadafo enam yen highways that particular statement yen yira ye boy ensem ma ene yewura agiegu ene ye ka say agiegu ene se wonam yen highways ne so a even including the motorways yen tricycle abobo yafo na ekoba you see asabo no woka nas one fine adwuma you cannot command respect won't mean command obi ase obi respect na mom respect no adwuma wo beye na be ma nipa no de obuo be ma wade be ma wo enti memeti hasese ayi de metima ya na me yi na mom what are they doing those who are having the political power in their hands those who are having all the executive powers in their hands what are they doing with the laws of Mother Ghana me pa chawo yewra Mamen kai wasem bi enene nansa eye mfinhia miensa a yeyi jenefo ne di free eye ye fro say kura agbegbuloshi ede wonom ekọ agen kotoku
who does not perform
jenefo no ye de wonom afri eye agbegbuloshi ekọ agen kotoku on the 28th days of June 2021 yewura emra mo di jenefo no kọ agen kotoku no ene medie no regional minister honorable Henry Quate wukojina agen kotoku ana ukoshe bokese se because of say jene cars no ebefa sa akwan no so nti agen kotoku ene medie kwan yewura wo ka asem beye enya manyosam na meye na agen kotoku kwan no de ntia ye ni abiri niye yete hanomo as road safety advocate entwamu na wotwe agen kotoku kwan no saa containers ile cargo yi enkomuni ntoso na enkomuni penti Ghana ni ba bia adwene a wonwene nko but ye musa mpanifo se ye twen ama jene cars no akomuni akumuni pa ewo agen kotoku ne medie kwan no so ansa na mpanifo aye saa kwan no ana ye busamo bia wo manfo no wo mani mrei na mom no as a concerned Ghanaian, as a road safety advocate who is having Ghanaians at heart, necessary me come as na Ghana because agen kotoku kwan no MPP for nam so NDC for nam so all the political parties one members enam so and yenso a yen join the political parties yenso enam so enunte me kasa asem no I am saying that with a national spectacle I am not saying this with my personal interest because ebi akwan no me mfaso but obi faso say nipa na wo faso no ye ntwa ma nipa ne mu ansa ne abekasa yako enti yewura regional minister say una ye current honorable Daniel Ni Kwatai Titus Grover, what are you doing? Because you see amemu governance and you continue to there. And yewura, what are you doing? Because honorable Henry Kote at that time I know your regional minister wakwose bo empre makomako 9 e wa Jen Kotoku say si anu ye di JNF no kɔ no saa kwa ne ye beye me pa chawo wo a wo tie me wa Jen Kotoku. You can call to confirm said you make me boa anasa nya no kure. Entwamu na watwe asa kwan no saa tracks no a heavy loads enam saa kwan no so no entwamu na watwe a ebi mfiri nto ho because enkum nipa nti nobody cares. Honorable Clement Wilkinson Ga West MCE saa bra no a ye DJ nefo no ko ye no won so ko ho ade asam na akwaka kire Agyen Kotokufo na samu amoka ye mfinhia miensa no I am not doing politics. I am only discharging my mandate as a road safety advocate. Me bisa MCE Honorable Clement Wilkinson say me pa chawo Agyen Kotoku kwan no moye anasa monye enene na watwe me pon adwuma ana menya akọ every Agyen Kotoku say ka bia komuni atokwan no so ama chese akose a huge traffic on the road enkum ni panti obi anyene nko ho enkum ni panti ye ni pani wo krom ha enkum ni panti ye ni road safety wo krom ha enkum ni panti chese ye ni pani bia e wo krom ha because a man penning for no junior who set him for no crown, one man will say be our form, and when always we should play gimmicks on their intelligence. Say your friends, I'm draw for their Yedumane say, ye be demanded for accountability. We are the voice of the voiceless, we are the mouthpiece of those who are in vulnerability. One more intimate, one more seminal. Ye Yedumane say, I can't yama one more, and Yaman Samana Maye. Name 3 years in ye. E bosha no amosha ye no mpanifo akwa akwesisan eno ye de din kan mekwa homa so na menimi wura ni ikwa eturu eye Kotoku turu manche mene no wadi ho nkomo ye wura ni ikwa eturu from the start of Ghana Kwanso e won kran mene no ene chairman Clement Ampedu eni mi wura mini apani Kennedy na nakwadwo jamfi ye hyase na nansan ye wura waye busy nti wontimi mefia na emom sa akwan no wono na ye wo hene e wo ho ye bebusa no say akwa akwesisai and what are they also doing as traditional leaders e wo Agyen Kotoku eno ntonchen eno nwumre around 4 p.m. Ghana fontie ni yi asamu American so me to challenge e dia ma Ghana ni bia including the Ghana Police Service me pato wo a wonam tesa no police station anim ho no gina ho no mo a na confirm the American say me boa enu anwumre as at 4 p.m. anwumre 4 p.m. na menam tesa no police station no animu mami musa Ghana Police Service titru ne mu amo tesa no me pamucho making kind the content of the regulation 62 of the LI 2180 semwa kan ana munim de mra na ka ana monim yemu motete wono mo set tesa no police for dia ene mo ya abro me se mo ya abro the entire make us mo ya abro no enie regulation 62 of the LI 2180 was say Ghana hanu mo ayetie se ka bi sai esi ekwan mu a eni kwan se ebro 1 hour ye to ka no edifiri ho me pamchawo asamu American ye radonten wo betimi asoma obi no akwa akogina tesa no police station ni mo ho asamu American se meboa monka ntram se meboa me pamchawo trailer wo hu trailer wakofa jabidie edifiri the northern part of Ghana eye trailer enye cargo when eye flat body libya wakofa jabidie ana wo different sekumasi o second tampon woba wodru tesa no police station ni mo ho no me pamto trailer no I break it down and pay the report wa yenya from the people around wo mo se trailer ni besi ho no kwa bosumi mienu me pamto trailer no etimi asifa akon wo tesa no police station ni mo ho amajabidie no ye yi ni wholesale ho ne ye ton no enti wo hwe ka na se a eye bola ani mura enti car no a esi fa akono esan se jabidie no adwere gu form ninti ama emura efifi ewo kota no so ewo Tesano police station enti se monim the content of the LI 2180 the regulation 62 na se police service titiro no mu amowo Tesano monim yenu na se munye nyaatwomde a ebebe mutire so mamenkwa homa somra na menimi wura ni kweturu eye kotokuturu manche mene no eni nkomo na mimusa no se enfinhia miensa pepepe nie ane edi jenefo no ebegu na asase so ekwan no yaye anase kwan no yenye na yenye ya anamo be na omutu afa ho na womoto anamo nso a response ben anomunya ye ni wadaroma asomdwen kan wo
anka mutoko
chama wadaroma efie boko ahoden so wo ho
nyame adoma ode wo ho
ye da wrade ase chairman Clement Ampedu wa ha ana Kennedy na nakojo jamfe nso kakra no wawuram na yewura Richard Kwesi eyia enso eye DVL national coordinator wono nso ewa ha afiba wadama ahoma na teatom yensan raise ni biem yene no eni nkomo yensan ka yewura de ayentra ne yene ni nkomo foforo mepa chawo ka no a esi Tesano police station ani mo ho no enu a meduru ho mesi mi try video a police fo mienu be se da bi obi ansoma ana msi yo mate accident no enkum civilian ko a nte me bompa ye se police car bi enko wurase na enkuma police fo na wo mo nso ntia ase se ye tena wo man mu a ye ntena ha mfa nkontompo ani nyaatwom enchekere Ghana trailer no atimi asifa ko close to 2 months amajabidie no a na alodu emma edifri northern part of Ghana urban cry ha no me paucho train na asesi kwan ne mfimfie no eno na ye tonti ye ne wholesale e wo kwam ho ye nyina so nim se accident dodo a AC e wo Ghana no dodo no a ekum nipa dodo no ano eye ohyenkani a wode akowura car a apakisi ho ase so common sense should tell the police service and those at the Tesano police station say baby a car ni sie no eye dangerous but wo matimi ahweka no se ensi wo mo ankasa animu emajabidie no yem ton firi so nkakra ana esi ho no mo close to 2 months nti car no ase ni nyina afu wura e wo kotal so road safety for we ye ma mo assignment mo si adwuma no enye mo nko amadwuma yete ase ye adwuma no si ye ba nanti krom de ebehunu no ye mo amane madam no ma de akoso ho no etan munka bibi ntira police for no munka bibi enchira police for no efiri say yete ha no mo ade ate se ka bi akowurase ama police for nya atwomfo no a wono mo ewotasa no ho no asa be ka kire Ghana for say afia yesi mo no enipa 300 enipa 500 ane wuye ye ma mo mandate ya na mo de mandate no epem ho na mo memagya nunu Ghana ye de be ka kire mo asembie ni ho ma me ma chairman Ampedu akwaba
Oku meje oso
chairman wadama efie boko de
efie boko
de nyamiase
no ko na samu akan de sa pa de a ye besra ye nuan mo Tesano police station omo hwe na car no se omo betu car na afiri ho se omo beto car no so afi ho a okon animanimu ye sre Tesano police for we de mi amempa nimfo ne wom menafofo ne wom minua ne wom enti we de mesre station master opon we de wade mi amikita na mu adaroma peto winka bi na we de nso ye kra ne to car no free ekwan mu ho mai na emfa somdue mra okun
chama merase na ye babo e homode ne akwa homa so na ye ne lawyer Kwame Kodua enso akwa kodi enkomo lawyer Kwame Kodua head of compliance and enforcement head of regulations and compliance at the Emma National Road Safety Authority yene no ebekwa kodi enkomo ni nyina nso enie mepacho se wo ye driver ni na se wutwi commercial car regulation 132 was a private use of passenger carrying vehicle me pa cha wo se wutwi trotro na trotro no ebia ekuo bi ebia asori bi anase bia individual bi ebe high car no a se bia wode koye ade a at that time no enye commercial car biem eye private enunti na emra ne say private use of passenger carrying vehicle sabra no a ebia wo ye sprinter driver ebia wo ye bus driver ebia wo ye D&D driver se wo de car no eye commercial ana obi abe high sa car no a Ghana mra esesen Ghana mra say sabra no a ya be high car no a wo de ye adwuma no esese wo trobo car nanim kakraka e wa hwehwe nanim private emra ne so tro no capital letters afi mbato free number we emra ne se wo ya ne sa no a esese wo trobo car nanim in capital letters esese wo tro no private na wo di abanimu me pam chawo transport operators amutie yen e wo Ghana samra we mo de adwuma drivers amu Ghana car owners amu Ghana saade we mo de adwuma ana say ye be han mo car no asorefo timi han school fo timi han organizations bitimi han adwumakuo bitimi han car no ana football team bi kura so timi han me pa cho sabre no a yes adwuma no aya na mo tro private no ebo animu anasa mo ntro na sa mo ntro nso a why na sase wo hwesa samra no adwuma enu nti ne yebekwa homa so na ye ne lawyer Kwame Kodua head of regulations and compliance edema National Road Safety Authority ye ne no edi ho enkomo na wonfa ye mfa adesuamu ekakra na mamenko me far right na mema miura Richard Kwesi eyianso akwaba yewra wadaro masumdwe nka ho
nyamia asumdwe nka ho so
yewra ifie boko de
nyamia adom na nso e
everade adom yewra mesum ho ye
eda nyamia se
DVL fo obi ahoye
nyamia adom
eda nyamia se ye bo ahomade se ye bekwa homa so na ye ne empanefo ni mienu adi nkomo lawyer Kwame Kodua ana afenso no ni kwachuru ye ne no adi nkomo but before that no mame enko na me chairman padu ye nsha nkomo twetwe na se na yewura nso atena se yi course ne ba ye do onom ebewram chairman asomdwe nkan
oko ankan so
chairman regulation 132 say say me ye trotro driver me ka na metwe me defa nipa agisika ana ekuo bi ana individual bi ebe han me a sabre no menye commercial bi me ye private emra na say nyesa me sesa nkrofo no a ya hai me no a na me de wo mo agum na me de wo mo sen emra na say eye sub regulation eye a no wo say esesa metro ebo ka na nim kakraka private chairman minim wahu sa de ni bi okwan so pen wan na esesa ho esesa amra we eye adwuma
yo oko medase oko matra sene de na mechia tanka drivers ya wo Ghana nyina na meden tia kase nso ama busem di ni Josaye baby o mo bia mechia wo na mechia me brother e friend Mr Omeri o nkoko dodo na friend ofa baby o mo bia no mechia wo oko asama odi abatu hoyi mesuso me wo question bi nsuso ebisa
ubusa me
bisa wo ne omo amutro mra ni nyina
okay
cause me de me seka no hu se etwa ba bia oko one question me bisa ne se so ka wura ne tro ka na nim private no na eno ama number of passengers also fa no eso atiana eno ye baako
DLFM 106.9
ya tro ka na nim private kase actually capital letters it has go fit de ni bi capital A capital B mi kuro mu de 1944 school no
that's right
de ni bi na ama overloading no eswate ama overtaking and driver ne be ye na eswate ana se ensisaye ben ana ye tro private no e de ba
okay
one minimum sa car no fa ne say ampadu car ampadu transport wa behind the car ne fa nipa 30 me tro private ne bo animu no nti no se metimi fa 80 100 emra no no ana
and the Miamia, Mr. Ya, I overwhelmed.
That's right.
Many are general pa, if you say, the way ya, o si baba churchere, Niema Muno, I might say, the animal be ya TDVLA for assay. But the first one, my idea.
Yeah, and Tiasia.
Near Tiasia, and Niema Buha near to me, if you turn left and right, DVLA for baby, I'm a coaching papa with my buy, no, and Yamish Ramo. Because wa maya kuma to am yem e wo mmiri bi eniema bi ho enti obetre ma CSA Ampadu Transport Limited ni atro me ka anim car ne fa nipa ebia Sprinter fa nipa 21 na me tro anim private no eden na besesa e wo ho sa ya tro anim private nti no say enipa 21 no metimi afa 42 ana 100 ana ya tro private no sa ya basa enipa ni bi mitimi fa niamia me pe bia ya tro ani mu private no mitimi ye overtaking ya tro ani mu private no mitimi co speed bia me pe no enka nie ewo se me ka omo atro mra ne ho a enka dwen kakra me so de be support no se ya tro ani mu private ase bia Sprinter number 1 wakofa a school for enti oba na ya school for ne wom eno de emete ase nanso so no wafa enipa e wo se ofa ni America no so oni me ba ya adwen a me ma adwen no
Okay.
kameka se Sprinter na fa nipa 21 no a se fa 19 o se fa bus na fa nipa 31 no se eye ayo yantro ani mu say private na mo private no wafa asorefo Pentecostfo wafa aledunafo Hare Christianfo ana wafa school A school B wafa footballers or the blaster for ko ba bi
DLFM 106.
ontro private ni mo ni mu ni ehu nipa omu wo sa aka ni mu na mo anya sa beka so wafa private etino nipa ofa no otimi fa nipa bi ope nieti ya ma meka saa ne ye nuano mo politicians ya papa no mo a omo ye politics okumi no nyina anim say ye cargo cars a fa niema nanso so ebeduru abato a ene moment from ebi announcement e ko no wo behu say ya de kia fa nipa miensa na afa kia no behu na aso nipa 100 200.
Okay.
Ya keka bom ni ya suo bebre na bi gyinagyinam na bi di asa na ehwie nipa gu.
Okay.
Oti ase.
Chairman, me yanyina enipa na ayehwe wo mago no so. Na me mra sesi a, se da be ya wo answers na wo pe no. Yensa betimi aka.
Kobra.
Ai, ebusu yensa ka lawyer Kwame Kodua. Wono anaye head of regulations and compliance at the Emma National Road Safety Authority. Lawyer, wadaroma woti yanka DLFM sunie awie yamu ahamu akwaba. Council baby a wonam wapombo ko de.
Adom ni ahye.
Yada nyame ase. Council we de yaba wo nchen aboko yenim se wona obetimi aboa ye na mene matiefu anya ntiase wo emra yi ho. Wo kan regulation 132 of the LI 2181 was say private use of passenger carrying vehicle. Na emrane kan say me truck driver na say me car will be behind me. Say me truck private in west, private in capital letters. Na me de bo animu. Yera me nimu ada how important anasa adie we no eye when it comes to road safety wadaroma.
I don't ask if any kind of sir Opa Kwanso Obia or a level of risk what the back Kwanso Sana no the driver and vehicle license authority for Mao clearance will be the car about Kwanso you the car no be no so Rihanna here. Normally, entity I would hear as I one cast out account car. Car no chain or any deal more. There's more to it, as I said, with me move a car no go on him now, with me some movie quality. na wotumi maka no gyina anaasɛ woma ne kɔ w'anim ɛtete a wohia ɛde bɛtwi wankasa wo kaa no ɛde tete a wohia sɛ wode bɛtwi kaa fa nipa agye sika no
DLFM
ɛsua kakra ɛda ntam ɛno nti na mmara no nhyehyɛeɛ mu no ɛbɛhia sɛ sɛ mpo sɛ woyɛ w'adwene sɛ wankasa wo kaa wopɛ sɛ wode fa nipa agye sika na wode yɛ adwuma a sɛ wo kaa no nyɛ labeled for commercial purposes a ɛwɔ sɛ wotumi ma environment na wonam mu no nkurɔfoɔ tumi ho sɛ wo kaa no ɛyɛ registered for a specific purpose. It's the woman no. The woman so kind 2180 na so fast regulation our reference Enquire who's there ebiane antimi ante ho asiye. So there must be regulation 121.
DLFM 106.9.
Yeah, it's just that that regulation who's 121 as 120 or no. Or said it prefer say so why I want to say open so the car here to buy this car. I was say which one am mobi. I give it answer. Say you any game was a young car who here and then who here say when him catch your team the car here say at one am more pa and car more yam brano. If young came fancy said no stamramo. So provisions now 2118 say ni na kwa koste LI 2468. 2468 in the NRC. It to me say Ebama any a call that in your maku a hot one. So anyone more or my margin say over the car no. If it did to master could be other than say or more they found one casa one answer for private use. Because so provided you have a public service. In fact, a public transport service. You are providing transport service of a public kind. Or the some man for Indiano. As I say, basic India will be our keke. It's bien more over corner. Additional competencies. For instance, if you're 18 years and 19 I would mean a license car there, but when you put you pass off as a car and I would car F1 comfort, you hear additional competencies. And it's never here say if you would desire you must so corner. So I also know everything about so when you care there. What you car crack. Name of Sabasa what the car no offend the pa Ajiska. I provided a special service now. If you are it me has said, oh, Asana putting in the car to Kwanso by a piano near train. Now also we experience our now car mono. It's near to Pensubi. And I say, will be a quick idea. More could really require eye test near dear. But the Cobasa who provided a special service, then one Casal Ghana, which you are. If you are tuning to say, oh, health condition or medical condition, I was it me drum and so be. And not in a massa imposition of restrictions and your canon, our honor. You see, baby, I want to say, you may quote it is a Jumano. And I said, the car for the bar or a Kwanso. No, I'm not a woman. You two and a month say a bit to me. I register a money now. He said, Yajimono, and only the starting point. The starting point is a transport companies, any transport unions, any transport associations, and individual drivers. But companies, unions, associations, omudi driver for Domanwa, driver for Nomudi, Humana, Kerua for Nomudi Jumano. Maybe I was here and say, 2 and a month, yes, Shassina, natural almost. And then I fix my
Council.
Yeah, 80. I'm a fee a day a Sena holding to me.
Council, where dear, whatever mau. Yeah, said that a man come away no poor and yet 10 because the bomb pies here one of these days, you bet by now with ye. Now, Council, yeah, Wagana ha. Ye hunu cars in Libya, a passenger carrying vehicle. But to be no, maybe a football team be a cohine, a sorry be a cohine, school be a cofa, and I say organization and po you make be to make cohine one. Sa services na render no. Chairman Padu ebisa some very sensitive question bi wa na me pese me repeat question na hwese bia ebetimi aboa won tiasie mu a na Chairman Padu busa say enipa no ode ne car no cohine for that purpose so no na otro any more private no a eno no element the capacity I say o shenkane ni fa and answer the fact say what private na bo ani mo no Emma was shankani ne kwam wetimi fa more than the capacity because we see on our roads car say nkefa 20 yes akofa students intino etimi fa 40 ye workers ye be a football team bi na akohan eye passenger car but ya akohan nti etimi fa more than the capacity so ehono ye nhede ye ho ntiase biem
bia nyina mra ho na sane okase bia mra ba mu a but so hwe LI 2468 yeah, my phone. The messenger a soft copy.
Okay.
67. Now this is a Aquaman formal institutional service operations. DLFM. Institutional bar service operations. I don't know the other kind of a paper. Depano on your commercial, Name Uhinaka or they just you might guess from Kumbi. So they confer school for, they confer for, they confer a tourist, or they confer their friends
football players.
Special project. A man of my client said, Sandy partner and now Sandy Pacuno. I sound a bit to be this Pasa. I'm crank. I bet a premono, young fan more any young fan commercial, but this to my dear son. I was said, a permit every national road safety authority. It's never said on a private car and no person did decide to make this from corner. And now simple say car ya register ama yan the VIP and STC and GPRT and our portwa and no person did decide to make this from corner. Say on one car now say a commercially licensed vehicle or person this institutional service no 67 no man acquire and a 67 is Sandy Pacuno and the person said put me in a permit I will be to this pastor it is to my dear
okay
now say yeah sim for be on my what is our permits no you can corner a authority no ebe pisa ho asem asana ya makwan ma watimi adisa tumadi no but me akasi super say unya sa special events permit na unya sa special I mean permit which is appropriate na no ma kwan say na na order that no on fine juma it is our was our special permit to just as a car na register and ya license for nipa 50 and for 20 and as you register for the DIPA 45, I would go for the DIPA 60 and the DIPA 70. Name on put I touch and say, and yet a Jumedia car no could and yet of a private kind. DLFM. It's set for high car no, and I say Nipano back station yabe Bakana Kodijuma, yes, from Kubino. I was saying to me. So we are doing fine, car no, and the driver near car no, and tenants are no. And Tetty and name here a fat Sergeant my just from corner. Stick to say the man of Fimer, or Confirm Padana, and I say football for now, and I say sorry for no, and I say your friends are fans now. If it's me, I could you know to us, it's saying, well.
Council, where my last question na ebia ebrenu nti meja wo no Yebeka say LI 2180 eba ye no. Higher in can bear to say 13 years money because 2012 ana me say ye dem buy ye. Ya tro wo mu but ye hunu drivers are still no omo flout the interpretations of these laws as to say one mo be go by the emre eken. Ye we de wada ma ho. Me nimu ada indiscipline on the parts of the drivers. And I say enforcement and ebia enkoye na drivers ni nya hu say me de meka no this services a me de samra we be adwuma. And I say ntiase bi which is education ebia wada ma cancel enkoye.
Me no ba de me say bia you be ka say somehow also ya partly responsible. One, bia di paro do na e was some de man e adwuma no e betimi aba say e bia nim de no mo fasa say no e fem. But say nim that no say emra ho na onim de e wo fem wo ho no ntre say wuti amra so a mo betimi afa ho adi. And a bit near Bass, sister, Pempra, Casay, Motor Traffic and Transport Unit for a department for a Guama, enforce it, Sam Rano. If you are not a enforcement, those who intimate corner, send it. Yes, a corner. And I say, yes, to society, equal comes to see, you know, Casay. So it's 2468 in there. Last year, yeah, they buy. If you last year, no, but the body check kakra, and in fact, there a month or two ago, the public notice, echo to say institutions in a Ministry of Transport, Transport Ghana platform, Yapao and Montoma, Ubia Timi Koso register services no. Yeah, they and the double hacker has a Ubia between take his advantage. They say just deadline, yeah, but you're quite before the end of the year, no. You better deadline after about more money being far. Or more deals from Concourse platforms. It's not a quiet, but I enforce it.
Okay.
But Ukraine say I can't enforcement. I am no NRSC approach to enforcement. They say I was here share institutional compliance. And on they say in Yumakuna almost the name everything with this from Kuma to before the time Yumakuna and I was here home. A whole movie. Now, parents say, no, I found also at the Guaco says, GPRT and STC. Now, Yenimo, penny for Yenim branches near regional officers, penny for Modano. About 10 or 15 locals, Yenim cars the driver for one year, Juma. Sa everything I found so now I said, I drive for the cars. Almost our say, only on year to man. Yes, I did come everything I poor Matima before and one talk more quantity on. Yet to me, I couldn't pens also. Indeed, their approach to enforcement, they're looking out for the institutions first.
Okay.
And once we have the institutions registered with the Transport Ghana platform, then through codes, procedures, the standard operating procedures, a compliance monitoring initiatives that will come out and say, to question I beside it.
Okay.
Ebia will be and kids and everything about self fem. Everything about say, Yanama, Epuamaya enforcement, apprehended Primoy, Ebia relax kakra.
Okay.
And on our side, so implementation efforts for 2468 to several cases. I feel I said, I was saying, I said, Kinana, it's me, SCP, now for it's me now on fast.
Yo. Anyway, cancel what our mama, yana say, Ebra Wajama yen, DLFM 106.9. Now, going forward, you know, you better that peberena, ye didn't come more, lawyer. Men so, I say, Enti Ebusia Yera, lawyer Kwame Kodria, head of regulations and compliance at the National Road Safety Authority. Chairman Peduaha, Anna Kennedy Nana Kojo Mfinso Atras here. Na and then Atadia na no won't mean to mo bolga won't be trouble cry. David. Anna Mira Richard Quesie Yauswaha. Nature Mampadu, Anu Guasam so. Anna, me try on the time, Madama. Now be said and same because we'll be 7 at your foot you.
Oko,
Chama,
made us say, Yada at TF also 80 and so I say. Or Adadia or Munyamaya. No, Condiana me be san say no, sir. Me want me private company. Na Nampadu Transport Limited and I say Nampadu Company. Na me car no fa nipa 30. Yes, my cover board for to me throw home private. My cover a sorry for throw home private. My cover teacher for. Should say me ayi say a day and society and a beba. And society ben a beba. I will nipa na makofa omono. Meka na commercial car e fa nipa 30. Milodu kaneshi e fa 30. Milodu kumasi 30. Borega 30. Amasama 30. No Okogyeabour company behind. Say DLFM behind. And until you say mentro private. Capital letters, Kofi de letters, akese emfamu anim. Just a den ebeye. Anansi san ebe na de beba ho. Ebe ma driver no say private intimo on co speed. Private intimo on overtaking. Private inti oduru careful so otimi ye overtaking wo oku nipa. Ana say just say okoto say car bi si ho a otimi onye overtaking say ho ana. Enu nkyerɛkyerɛ mu no mementi ase. Eka de obeka ma ebe ma me ampadu me madwen. Sami wo ba bi omo shamra ni bia. Ka de meka se oh. Esan se Ampadu Transport Limited akofa DLFM fonti no. Ontro bibi sika nanim se obeye extra ahwiye. Ho no kameti ase. Say what befa a school for. It's a school for our form no. Ma wa hwe no enoso because e bia na nipa baako e madoso wom. Ana say onyame fasa ma bibi kosi e beka say Ampadu ka ni lodu DLFM fo nko a. Eti na o say na hwe no adoso because omo ye fie baako mu nipa. Eno de anka me Metiasia DLFM. Me akasa meti yi. Obaje di sisa mi tu kwan. Akọ mi kurom. Mi tu kwan akwachiri. Ye kwa yie ana bibi atisa. Me fa me yire tena ka animu a. Me fa me ba nyina ngu ka animu. Me mom different car.
Okay.
Ana me ni mi nua no nyina etu kwan a. Me ma ye nyina tena ka ba akumu. Me ma bi sofo
ka foforo
na se mema omo ka se me na me di omo kwakoye mema omo ka foforo adentia bibia betimi asi eti se BBC a munyina prekopa na mo ka animu no BBC na nyame amfa fie na accident bi ba na se owuo bi ba eye munyina busua no na maide
mahye ase
eti fanisas wakofa sorifuo bi na se munyina agu ka mu na se driver ni koye niema bi ana accident bi ko ba be ka se asori ana asori bi con convention omu yese ana footballers we ko ball no nyame amfa fie eti omu nyina adan akowu
team nagu
agu asori no a ebegu say abusuan so na mo ko a BBC a mu nyina ase adan ase because wawu yire wu ma na wu. Eti what me point na
mate wase pa
eti kan ne me wo ho ne ya shamra ni bia kan ne meka ne say so far as ya mo akofa abusuan baako company baako asori baako group baako no de yan tro private insha ni mu say yan fa bibi nkan say ye de abusuan baako na e continue e wo say driver ni ye ahweyie emu ahweyie what am I say enka ho de enka
only problem
bia enka anya bi say yewura etiya ya DVL etiya ya ka we megina mframa mu na me no mo
ade ani
say menti ase menye sei but me say me wo ho de atwro mra ni bia enka Kofi Dede idea sa me so me di be shemu no eno no
but chama me busa lawyer kwa me kodua me busa question ba kwa na e wana momiensa 1 regulation 125 of the LI 2118 was a continuous education a road safety for asade say emrei wo mba kire Ghana fo nyina including drivers amo mate ase en kire no 12 years nie ana eya police fo nso asade say wo mo na be hwese sa amra we wo mo de ye adwuma ana eya ye ntimemfo no so asade say yen so ye be hwese ye be discipline wo kwan so mi busa say sa ni ma miensan emrei ba ye no 12 years ni adenti na drivers nda so eye without complying the laws and was say wagitum say anamo miensan nyina faili police ya faili road safety omo ye nkyerɛkyerɛ no so ayedan afeli ana drivers nso eye indiscipline so ho no so wo ba gye ne san
no de o ka sa de amene ne ya adwen DLFM ye nyina anye kronkron ye nyina anye perfect edi so no agye atomu se ye nuanom police fo aka omo kakra sa na me de meka no se aka omo kakra
sure
aka road safety fo kakra ana ye timamufo na ye driver fo no so no aka ye kakra kakra aka police ni se police fo o se tebia o mo de ye nua ye nanfofo no mo no mo te kwan so o mo na o so o mo to aso so o be kire ese emra no ye se fa private share ni mu na so private na di share ni mu no nkire se kofa nipa ne broso ana se private na di share ni mu nkire se kotumri kantente ana ko yi overtaking ana se ko ye bibi boni efi se akwa bi wuye oye obi o repair moto ana omo kwa kosie mu okobaji edi se moto show we no omo fa ma nipa jama 5 ene wu kan ne omo kosie no ne ho tro driver wuye mfa driver ewuye no so no ye kwa kosie no driver ba ko awu a ye kosie no driver ni tsuo nipa gu ka mu no okwa no otwa U10 no ye
funu no
o ma ni bo mo so na nipa 19
ewu aka funu no
ewu aka funu ba ko na wawu ne ho eti ye nyina na aye ahweye ni suade a awosi ye sua ama ne kwachiri ensa so amteda me ba road safety ye wura don't de me am boss I don't think
that's right
me no me enu nyina boss
authority
ye me enu nyina boss
na referee na ko jeje
na so ye nyina boss ye wura don't ba bia obi ametia me ka za na the chief sopo abetato
that's right
chief sopo street bacho ba bia obi ametia wahu eno so ye e ho so side I was all mun kire no omo mane e kwa abontin yie okun enye ye fe say ye beka say enipa bi awu hwe me ka say se BBC a beka say mfa ho ye wa ha na me tie say accident bi asi borega okun na me firi nkoko na ka accident si borega
ka fa ho ben
ka me de me fa ho ben okun ye ma me so borega na nye ho a me secretary amene ne wadwuma mi am secretary na ni nua ba
e ka ho wow
na ma free ha akoduru borega accident na see ya na me tenkran no na ma free ha kodu ho eti asem bia ni ho a emfa nipa ho ma me bia fra na abrankroma ukoko fide da me chia ko fide da fuo nyina na abrankroma o se asem bia ni ho a emfa nipa ho asem bia be ba no efa nipa ho eti accident na see wo borega no me tenkran enso so na fa me ho me tuka o man kofo ka me tuka hwefu edodo a me to free ha de ko eti sa asem na nsi wo ho a e ka kakra me de be podwe no e ka me de be to fu e de akoho eti enkyerɛkyerɛ no mom na ɔmoma ne mbra na yɛnua no road safety ebia de koka ya yɛnua ba bi koka sɛ ɔmɛkyerɛkyerɛ sɛ na yɛ bra DVLA papa iti ha efiri na no de bia ɔbɛkyerɛkyerɛ niema bi a yɛnte ase ya frɛ yɛnua ba road safety ɔka kyerɛ sɛ kwasie da na ne kunu di fufuo saa na ɔka kyerɛ yɛn ɔsɛ kwasie da as a road safety mimiti ha nya road safety ntia me ka 1 cedi obi a mame fuel anaso obi mame pure water enso so ne Sunday matu kwan ya komikro mu ayie afọ so abedu ha sane e beba ne abekyerɛ sane accident ensi ya papa chat kojo for suba bi obi anyame hira ne yire ne ma was spend for 2 good hours ya ba ye mi wa monte am fifira na eteme aha nyunyunyu what you say
say Russia wo
nyunyunyu aka obo no ayo no nko a o ada na sabi on first scan ngun kotokom no ne yire ne mani but was on person nipa be den ebewu enti mu a oman ni tua moka mu be hwe se accident abekọ fom accident insi na ya fra o se yenti bibi asenti bra studio na be kire niam bi ase a na wo ka kire se kwasie da no e na wukuru edi fufuo enti wo kwasie da no unya tam kwasie da na wo fufuo ma wukuru wo ka sa wadi atam ne Ghana fo atam wo ti ase
chairman
wo aye wadwuma na yetua wo ka no wo sisei na yen ya yentua ye ka no ye de yen so ka fa ye ho be se ye betra
chairman jina so ma me na me ba mekọ mpanifo ho ma menkọ homa so na minum se me ye wulo mo
ni na ne kasa ne dia
ai ni aba
ni kwa so wulo mo no sa na wan twamu amfa ni anhya ba bi foforo
chairman officer
ni mama ne ho ate
ma menkọ na ni yewura ni kwa eturu eni nkomo bra sesi a ni wadama oti ankan ya mwakọ aba ni efie boko oh nyame adom ni me hoye pa
mama ntia won kremwe
network ni nye
David asawati aru antimi anyo so
ni network ni nye ai network ni nye ndo dia chairman padu benjamin
ana da hoyo atiofo ana da hoyo ni pasa me ni kotogufu nya asa so kotogufu da bia me nafufu ni ni anu ko adegu ho ni so se do mu nya asem bia
ni wadoma de ntia awia yi ya fra won we de yenim se nta obebe fie ntini edi nkomo but me anyi nitew 3 years pepepe ni ana aban no eyi jenefo ni free agbegbo se ba wasase so aje nkotoku menim kamfani kakra kire we de mpanisi yensoma ohene na so wada ma ebesoma owia yi wo na wo ye ohene wo kotoku churuman wada ma aje nkotoku medie kwan no 3 years ni etesan
ọkụ medasi ntia weti efo nyina amini ampedu ni nalaje fi ọmaso adumemu radin komu na ampedu obaduma nanu o Fatima Daveti abisa kakra ọmanu sort of guys na bidi tomu koso enku yansi asopa ọkụ enukwe 3 years ni Your Excellency Nanado Dankwa Kufuado Baje Nkutuku ama oni ebe dim komo ama o share bo se o ye panu obeba de ya mai actually honorable court very minister then o mane by you nyina ye MP honorable friend Nicholas o kan nyina o mo by nchen ebe dim komo ye from se ye panu and first, if you trailer driver, maybe a trailer driver, trailer driver, no, lot of more fun, and Nadia, your pano, of back paswa, a big young one, a quantity in our birthday. Almost share about so you're not for to take trailer to do, or cook grabber, the Indian son, Russian company, no, I feel it, baby, Kakra, my
ni wadama wa homa ni breaking tinka utimi gina ba bi ye maye a asese de ye wadama gina hwa ye nto aso
ko Lumba aka compose cycle pro it has said ko mani omo brain about this the Google Kwanso be level abua na no kapei
DLFM.
If you media Bakutuku, to say, sorry, Machi, now, Duma, about 6 o'clock now, Jakutukuna, Naka. Kauna, Ponina, you are the plan to her. Again, it's a politician, let's go. You have a Duma fine. And I'll take honorable recording wanya handover ate gota wanya amano inti fa kutuku wa fa kan tafina baba de bisa FM 106.9
Chairman. Hello, Chairman. Chairman, line no, say Kotoku network no na enye. Na Chairman ma memusa o. Sa 3 years nie no na monte aban ne nka o kirem say ombehye boss asphalt. Den so sapete kura mon sanka yi. Mo na na mo hemfo madam ma moto ho na mo ana.
Okuya tupa na mo. Ko Virginia ho ama. Favorite DLFM 106.9.
Madam ni ahoma no ni we de kafra ahoma no shadan tutomo ma ye ntino ni wadama buaye na yemfansi wa ha na afi we de ye nto ankoma no sabrepem ni ye bedi hu nkomo ye enti madam amon fan na network ni mutwi kakra na mbom ni nyina no ene sa 3 years ni e bo champagne fo be share nyina no kokura ni hono mo a wonom ediso ma menkwa ha na mema Mira akwaba na mere no eli enkomo ba Mira Richard kwesie ya wa ha de ye ba na enkomo bofro ya to aso me ba sese a
Africa, get way to the world. My dear Ghana, sweet, sweet Ghana, set her free, free from the ocean. Ghana, oh Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah Ghana, Ghana, oh Ghana, Black Star Line. Ghana, oh Ghana, Dinga Size Ghana, Ghana, oh Ghana, Asian Kingdom Ghana. We love the culture, we love the history. Only per language, yet one people. No for religion, yet one people. Sometimes we cuss, also we fuss. This is my Ghana, one lovely nation. This is my Ghana, one lovely people. This is my Ghana, one free people. This is my Ghana, one happy people. Big up the man, Nkrumah. Me lick a shot to the man Dinga season. Do you remember Paul Kofi and the Queen? Yeah, Santoa. I was a blank from the Rajak band. I know be a woman, Queen Nani. This is my Gold Coast, now called Ghana. Get way to Africa, get way to the world. My dear Ghana, sweet, sweet Ghana, set her free, free from the vulture. Ghana, oh Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah Ghana, Ghana, oh Ghana, Black Star Line. Ghana, oh Ghana, Dinga Size Ghana, Ghana, oh Ghana, Asian Kingdom Ghana. I love my Ghana, no matter where I go. No matter where I go, from the top to bottom. No matter where I go, from Alpha to Omega. Ghana is my land, I cannot deny it. No matter where I go my yard. We politics and wicked, we still I love we Ghana. Them sell we out, we still I love we Ghana. Too much tax, we still I love we Ghana. Too much thief, we still I love we Ghana. Some of them are coward, we still I love we Ghana. No for them are cheat, we still I love we Ghana. This is my Gold Coast, now called Ghana. Get way to Africa, get way to the world. My dear Ghana, sweet, sweet Ghana, set her free, free